Coloring coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. Can you guess what we're going to color today? Let me give you a few hints. She wears a sparkling dress. Sometimes she has a crown, and she lives in magical castles. That's right, you guessed it. We're coloring a beautiful princess today. So, let's get started. Imagine how magical your princess can be. You can give her big, shiny eyes full of kindness, a lovely smile, and maybe even some sparkling jewelry. Don't forget her flowing dress. It could be long and elegant or short and playful. It's all up to your imagination. And of course, every princess needs a crown or tiara. Will you make it shiny gold, glittering silver, or maybe even rainbow-colored? The choice is all yours. Did you know that in fairy tales, princesses don't always stay in castles? Some travel to enchanted forests, talk to animals, or even go on exciting adventures to save their kingdoms. In fact, the idea of princesses is found in stories from all around the world. Each culture has their own version of a brave, kind, and magical princess. Pretty cool, right? And here's a fun fact. Real-life princesses often use their voice to help people, protect animals, and make the world a better place. So your princess could be not just magical, but also a hero in her own story. Now, as you're coloring, think about the colors you'd like to use. Does her dress sparkle in pink, blue, or maybe even neon green? Maybe she has purple hair with golden highlights, or maybe her crown glows with gems in every color of the rainbow. There are no rules in art. You get to decide.
Black.
And hey, if you like the video and want to see more videos like this, share, subscribe, and click the little bell so you don't miss any of our fun coloring adventures. Bermuda pink. Now, let's keep coloring. Add details that make your princess unique. Maybe she has a magical wand, a friendly animal by her side, or even glittery wings like a fairy. What would your princess like best? You can decide. Try giving her patterns on her dress, like stars, flowers, or even polka dots. That will make her outfit look super special.
Light blue. Yellow.
Here's another fun fact. Did you know that in some stories, princesses had gowns so big and beautiful they needed help just to walk around? Imagine how many colors you'd need to make a dress that magical. And you can create one today with your crayons or markers. Take your time, enjoy every little detail, and make your princess as wonderful as you imagine. Maybe she lives in a castle in the sky, or maybe she dances at a ball under the stars. Where does your princess live? Think about it while you color. Your imagination makes the story even better.
Red.
All right, little artists, we're almost done with our magical princess. Doesn't she look amazing? You made her shine with your creativity. Remember, every princess
Light
is
pink.
unique, just like you, and your art makes her come alive in her own story. If you had fun today, don't forget to come back again for more fun coloring adventures. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next magical drawing. I can't wait to see what you'll create next time. So, keep those crayons ready, keep imagining, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye little artists, stay creative and keep shining.